Oh yeah, I know mine.
It'll get really excited, and then sting the bee or the bird. Sting the bird. If it stings another bee, then that's just gay. It'll sting the bird, and the bird will get really, 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 really big
And fat.
and fat. And then once the bird can't take it anymore, it'll lay an egg or have a baby. Either way, you don't want to have an egg or a baby. So, don't sting a girl.
I don't plan on it.
Okay.